Good day here, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing King Street. Right now you don't see the name, but I'll show you in a few minutes, guys. Anyways, this is MacDougal Street heading south, MacDougal Street heading north. Now, before anything else, guys, like always, let me show you where I am. That's our destination back there, King Kong Street. This is called 12 Chairs Cafe. Another one back there. And we start the journey now. Okay, guys, now coming up at King Kong Street, MacDougal Street, and this is Roccioli. This is Italian. Now, guys, the next three streets that I'm gonna do, they're very small. They're only 3 blocks long, guys. Again, down here by the south of the west side of Manhattan, these streets are really small, guys. I think King is 4, and then the other 2 from 3 to 4. Let's just put it that way. But nonetheless, the street. Coming up at King Kong Street, 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas, guys. Again, these will be short streets, guys. I'm gonna do 3 of them. King Kong Street and the other 2 as we get to them. Again, King Kong Street, 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas, heading westbound. Oh, guys, check this out, man. See? I like this patch of flowers, man. Nice. This is beautiful. See? And we have the ones back there. They look like a swarm. Check it out. I love this, man. Looks like a swarm. Let me see. Let me see if I can. I think it's back there. But these are the beautiful flowers, guys. You get this only in spring and summer and some days of autumn. You cannot get this in winter. You can't, because they're dead or just sleeping. Now, guys, I'm trying to see the buildings here, but so far neither side has nothing good except for the precinct lights. So for now on, when I see that, I'm gonna say the precinct lights, because this is like the 7th one already. I saw a lot of them by Brooklyn, by the promenade. This is a public school, 8 King Kong Street, 29. But you see, it's got the 2 precinct lights. This should be no longer than 20 minutes, guys, maybe? 20 minutes for now. Again, precinct lights. Oh, check it out, guys. They're right here. See? They're right here. And they look like a swarm. See? See? They look like a swarm. Nice. Almost like a pineapple type, see? I don't know what they call these, but they're nice, man. You see, and you got some bees over there, see? That's where they got their honey, honey. If you got the money, honey, we got your disease. Jungle, welcome to the jungle. Guns N' Roses, heavy metal. They also consider it to be hard rock and heavy metal, so yes, Guns N' Roses. Hard rock, heavy metal. Now, again, guys, trying to. That one has a missing light, but okay. So this is the first of 3 streets, guys. King Kong Street, and then the other 2. And I'll tell you as we get to them. Coming up at King Kong Street, Varick Street, heading westbound. And this is Hudson Street and the #1 train. Subway, eat fresh, but not here. So this just will be kind of like fast, you know. This is your friendly neighborhood United States Post Office, the American way. Across the street you got Pure Paws Veterinary Care. See? USPS. Coming up at King Kong Street, Hudson Street, heading westbound. In this case, Kate Hudson. Mama. Now guys, windy. As you can see, King Kong Street dies over there, but we're gonna go around it, guys. Okay guys, coming up at King Kong Street, Green Sandwich Street. Last and final stop before we go around 180, guys. King Kong Street, Green Sandwich Street. And in the background you can see the big behemoth. And this is your colorful grain, your friendly colorful something. See? All this colorful, man. This is part of the UPS. Now we go this way and we go back around east. Now we go back around east, guys. Again, take a look at the behemoth back there, guys. Now imagine if the Freedom Tower, the behemoth. Imagine the Titan, or in this case Titanic, the Khalifa Tower, guys. Oh man, that thing must be huge. Yep, kind of windy, guys. Kind of windy. Coming up at King Kong Street, St Hudson Street, heading eastbound. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh boy. King Kong Street, St Hudson Street. Yeah, about 15 minutes, guys. Close or exact. Oh, check it out, dude. The black Tesla, nice. So basically, I've been capturing a lot of great Teslas, but this is like the second black model, man. This is awesome, dude. I'm gonna talk to Mr. Tesla, see if he can give me one. Or sell me one for cheap. Coming up at King Kong Street, Varick Street, heading eastbound. We gotta wait till the light turns. I don't want to get squashed with these vehicles. Turn into human soup. See, that's why these guys get in the way of, you know. I hate this hour, man. Says red, says red, says red. Says walk, walk, says walk, walk. Let's walk. We got the right of way. So basically the houses here are the same. These look like the ones from the promenade in Brooklyn Heights. That was a similar signature. Instead of the round Roman columns, these are like the square ones. See, similar to the ones in Brooklyn by the promenade. See, I like this because this one has a face, see? It's a smiling face or something. But see how it's degrading with time. Like I said again, nothing ever lasts forever. Not even us, not even time. See? Because once Christ comes, forget it, man. Time's gonna stand still. Because Christ owns time. That one is fading. This one's still intact. Still. Check out this flower bed, guys. Nice. And then you have these patch of flowers here. Nice. Coming up at King Kong Street, 6th Avenue, Avenue of the Americas. Actually, guys, like I said, probably 20 minutes. 20 minutes, under 20 minutes. And that is a King Bridge back there. And that's a Van Hool. It should be Bus Hool because it's not a van, it's a bus. So it should be Van Hool. Bus Hool, not Van Hool. Go figure. Oh, check it out back there. The Roblox building back there. And that is the M21, guys. That goes by my neighborhood.
La sombrilla.
Yeah. No, para que no se me queme el teléfono. Simón.
Hicimos lo que hicimos.
Bueno, yo le fui para México, Estados Unidos y Canadá, pero todos. Pero qué ánimo, ¿qué se le va a hacer? Pero mis otros dos equipos, España y
España fue lo que fue. Se hincaron al Messi, fue lo que más me gustó.
Wow, no, pero sí, fue mucha. Sí, mucha.
Pinches árbitros vendidos, todavía existen.
Okay, guys, so we come here and we're gonna finish where we started from and the original point of origin here by the 12 chairs, guys. So right here, guys, hold on, let me see, where is the okay, so we're gonna go here. And as always, guys, thanks for accompanying me to this journey, and I will see you all somewhere in time.